guys, it's Peachy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this giant peach plushie that low-key looks more like a heart / an apple. But it's okay, it's still cute though. It's super soft and fuzzy and it's perfect for taking naps with, and it's so easy to make. You don't even need to know how to sew, but if you don't know, please let me teach you because it is so easy. My mom taught me when I was like 6 years old, and if I can do it at 6, then you can definitely do this. I will link to the fabric that I used down in the description below if you guys want to use the same fabric. So yeah, let's get started.
So for this plushie, you will need some orange or pink fabric and some green fabric. Place your first piece so that the fuzzy side is facing up, and put the other piece on top so that the non-fuzzy side is facing towards you. Use a piece of chalk to draw out a large heart shape. This will be the shape of your peach. You can make it rounder or more heart-shaped, whatever you prefer. If you don't want to sew, just use hot glue to glue the 2 pieces of fabric at the chalk line that you drew. But don't worry, sewing this is pretty easy too. For the leaves, I used this aqua blue fabric. I wanted a greener fabric but didn't have any, but I ended up loving this color anyway. Cut out a piece of fabric that's about 20 centimeters by 16 centimeters. Fold it in half and make sure the non-fuzzy side is facing towards you. And here's me trying to blow some fuzzy stuff off of my fabric. And now it's time to sew. Thread your needle with a generous amount of thread and make some knots at the end. I try to stack my knots so they become a giant knot. I'm going to sew all around and make this leaf shape. I kind of just eyeball it, but you can definitely draw with chalk or a pen. I'm just doing a normal running stitch, so all you gotta do is poke the needle in through one side and out through the other. If you want a line down your leaf, like this, pinch the middle of the leaf and sew a line, but don't pinch the other piece of fabric. You want to make sure you only sew on one side and that the needle doesn't go through to the bottom piece. When you get to the end, make a small loop and thread your needle through to make a knot, then trim your thread. After you're done, trim away the excess fabric. Turn your leaf inside out, and we're going to put it aside and start sewing the peach. It's really easy to sew the peach. Just do a running stitch along the lines you drew earlier, but stop when you get to the top and leave an opening at the bottom. Once you're done, trim off the excess fabric around your stitches. With your leaf piece flipped upside down, tuck the leaves in between the 2 pieces of peach fabric. The stem should be at the top. Then you're going to sew on this V line and sew the leaf piece that is sandwiched in there to the peach fabric. It might feel weird because you can't see what's going on, but you got this. Trust in yourself. When you're done, remove all of your pins and turn your peach inside out. For the face, I used some felt pieces. I tried 2 different face designs. For the first one, cut out some thin U-shaped pieces for the eyes and the mouth. And also 2 pink ovals for the cheeks. And for the second face, just replace the eyes with black circles and white dots. Both the faces were so cute and it was so hard for me to decide. So while we think on this very critical issue, we are going to stuff this peach with lots of pillow stuffing. I added a lot because I wanted mine to be nice and thick. And to close it off, we are going to use an invisible stitch. Poke your needle down and up through one side and do the same on the other side. I hope you guys can see despite me using pink thread for this. And now we are going to hot glue the eyes and the mouth. I like to hot glue after stuffing so I can see exactly where things will end up. And your Peach plushie is complete. I hope you guys enjoy your new pillow / cuddle buddy. She's very cute and I hope she makes you feel very warm and fuzzy. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to this Peach right here for more DIY tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Peach out!